This is the Gerber Genuine 99 293 tank to bowl kit for the Gerber Pee Wee tank. Now the kit will come, of course, with the gasket, 2 bolts, rubber washers, 2 bolt caps, 2 wing nuts, these little channel pieces to prevent the tank from rocking, of course the supply line nut. Now with some measurements, we'll measure the bolt here, so from the head to the bottom of the threads, you can see it measures right at about 2.5 inches. And then with the gasket, the complete outside diameter measuring right at about 3.5 inches. And then from this side, we'll measure the outside diameter of this hole. It measures right above 2 inches. Okay. Once again, this is the Gerber Genuine 99 293 tank to bowl kit for the Pee Wee toilet tanks.